Students, today we are going to start our worksheet number 2. Topic is construction of a circle using our compass. First question, draw a circle whose radius is given 3.6 centimeter. First of all, with the help of our scale, we will open our compass up to 3.6 centimeter. For this, we will keep the tip of this circle at point 0 and open it up to 3.6 centimeter. Now, we will take a point on the paper and draw a circle of this radius. Like this. Now, name this center as O using scale. Draw this radius and name it as A, and we will mark here 3.6 centimeter. That is, the circle is of radius 3.6 centimeter. Now at the end you can write here radius OA is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Next question, draw a circle whose diameter is 8.4 centimeter and draw one radius and measure it. Always remember students, whenever we have to draw a circle, we must know its radius. If radius is not given, with the help of its diameter, we will find its radius. We all know the formula for finding the radius of a circle, that is equal to half into diameter. Here diameter is 8.4, so half into 8.4 will be equal to 4.2 centimeter. It means we have to draw a circle whose radius is 4.2 centimeter. So we will open our compass equal to the radius of circle, that is 4.2 centimeter. Make it sure students, we are using our radius to draw the circle, not the diameter. I have opened my compass whose radius is equal to 4.2 centimeter. I want to draw a circle of radius 4.2 centimeter. So now I will draw a circle in this way. Like this. Now I will mark this center as O and will erase these extra some lines like this. Now we will draw the diameter of a circle like this. It is not compulsory to draw a straight line, that is horizontal or vertical line. We can draw in any way. See, my diameter is going to be equal to 8.4 centimeter. This was the center of the circle. Now we will mark it as AB, or you can give any name you want to give. Now we are to draw one radius also. Clearly we have drawn two radius here, OA and OB, and if we measure, we will check that OB is equal to 4.2 and OA is also equal to 4.2 centimeter. So at the end we will write radius OA equal OB equal 4.2 centimeter. Similarly, in our book, question number 3 is given. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Draw its longest chord and measure it. We have already studied that longest chord means the diameter, means same as question number 1. We will draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter and then we will draw its diameter and will measure its length. If we are doing accurately, the length of the diameter will be equal to double of radius, that is 8 centimeter. So I have discussed worksheet number 2 completely with you. Now it's your homework to complete your worksheet number 2. Homework is do worksheet 2 of chapter 13. Thank you.